Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer property access codes using KeyNest for showings easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer property access codes using KeyNest for showings, start by logging into your KeyNest account. Ensure you have the necessary property information ready. Navigate to the property listing that you want to share access for. Click on that Access tab to view the current access codes. Select the access code you wish to transfer. Next, click on the Transfer option. Enter the recipient's email address in the provided field. Double-check the email address for any errors. Set an expiration date for the access code if needed. Confirm the transfer by clicking the Send button. A confirmation message will appear once the transfer is successful. Inform the recipient to check their email for the access code. Remind them to follow the instructions outlined in the email. If they encounter any issues, advise them to reach out to KeyNest support. Once the code is received, the recipient can use it for the property showing. Remember to monitor the access code usage through your KeyNest account. This process allows for a smooth transition of access rights for property showings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.